Okay, guys, it is the time for the $500 trading tips, and of course, we will be checking this out right here in this video. But before I go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love this content, can you give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family? Okay, these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. So let's go straight into it right away, starting with GAINEX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GAINEX 1200. I'm on 15-minute time frame using the 3M trend Mioka trading indicator to do my analysis. So if you are having, kindly follow up with this. Okay, so after getting to this support zone, this had been on uptrend, got to this resistance zone, made an attempt to go on downtrend, but wasn't able to break out from here. So it went back up to break out above the resistance zone at this point. Okay, sorry, at this point, and of course to buy more. It has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it's trying to go back on downtrend right now. Okay, so we expect more selling. That is if it does not go back to break out above this resistance zone. Okay, so we should take note of that. However, either it goes back or not, we still expect more selling opportunity right from there. If it goes back, now it may likely come back and sell more. But if it does not, and if it breaks out above the resistance zone, then it will buy more. But for now, it is still selling. So we expect more selling opportunity right from there. Okay. Next asset is going to be GAINEX 999, still on 15-minute time frame, and I'm still using the 3M trend maker trading indicator right from here. Okay. From this support zone, this actually started an uptrend. I actually gave out this signal yesterday and it has just achieved all the TPs right from there. Okay, so this is still buying right from here. Okay, so it has gotten to this particular spot. Okay, let me pick up this resistance zone. Okay, if it breaks out from here, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it will sell. Okay, it is selling at the moment. Okay, probably it might be a pullback. Maybe it will pull back till it get to this region and go back up to try out this resistance zone to see if it will break out from there. If it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy more. But if it does not, it will sell more. Okay, and if it breaks out from this particular support region, then it's definitely going to sell more. So this is still selling at the moment, so we should take note of that. Okay. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. Let's check it out together. This is Paynex 1200. This had been on uptrend for a while, got to this resistance zone, so it has started a downtrend. It started a downtrend right from here, so it is selling at the moment. Okay, but we should have it at the back of our mind that this is approaching this support region. However, it is still selling at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. So this is Paynex 999. Okay, so and of course this had been buying since then. Okay, since it got to this support zone and it got to this resistance, it was unable to break out from there. So it's so for a while, and of course it has not been able to break out from this particular support region. So it's trying to retrace itself back to go back on uptrend. However, it is still playing within this region. Okay, so we should take note of that. If it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more and may likely get to this. But if it does not, it will go back and try out this particular support region. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80, still on 15-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend for long, okay, even though there are major pullbacks in between, but it's still more of a downtrend than an uptrend. And of course, right now it is still selling, okay. So it broke out below this particular support region, okay. Sorry, let me close this. So it broke out below this particular support region, okay, and of course it is still trying to sell more. Okay, so if it breaks out below this, then it's still going to sell more. At the moment it is still selling. Okay, so we should take note of that. Okay, so and it is also very close to the support region. Okay, so we should also take note of that. Okay, if it does not break out from the support region, it will change the direction of the trend. But once it breaks out from there, then it's going to sell more. However, it is still very much on downtrend. Okay, so this is still more of a selling opportunity right from there. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.